Here are some other tools that you can do. So I say I do, you do, we do. Has anyone ever heard of that technique before? I do, you do, we do. So what that means is I demonstrate something, and then I have you demonstrate something, and then we do it together. That's basically what it means. But here are some examples of some things that you can use. Simon Says. How many have played the game Simon Says before? Simon Says, take 2 steps forward. Mindfulness. Everybody's into mindfulness. Y'all remember all of that during Zoom. Okay, that might put them to sleep though. I just thought I'd let you know. But true or false is another one. It's kind of like you can say, okay, so far I've talked about X, Y, and Z. I want you to say true or false in the chat. And then you give them 3 facts or 5 facts or whatever you want to do. It's up to you. Say. Another one is big versus small, which is bigger, 10 to the negative 10 or 10 to the positive 10. And how do you know?
Number 5 is reading level calculator. So as you're prepping your slides, it may be beneficial for you to copy and paste some of what you're writing straight into a grade level calculator. This tool will give you an idea of how advanced a reader needs to be to understand what you have on your slide. Number 6 is infographics and graphs to show data. 5th graders will have some pretty good basic graph reading skills. So if you're talking about data or trends over time or percentages, try throwing that graph up and then using that what do you see, what do you wonder technique. Then number 7 is a classic poll. So Zoom has functionality that you can ask them to answer a question. And then we're gonna do number 8 together. Reactions. They're gonna wanna press the button. So instead of fighting that, I say we embrace it. Giving them a chance to use the buttons constructively helps keep them from using them distractedly. And then number 9 is a resource on our website I wanted to make sure you're aware of. Knowing how tight your time is for these presentations, it's tempting to rule videos out completely, but I would strongly encourage you to think about very short videos.